The CRF 1100 Africa Twin and Africa Twin Adventure Sports ES feature 4 ride modes and 2 fully customizable user modes that riders can cycle through to match road conditions or riding style. Simply press the up or down buttons on the left handlebar to cycle through ride modes. Tour mode is ideal when riding with a passenger or a full load of luggage. Urban mode is a standard all-round ride mode for most situations. Gravel mode is useful when riding on slippery surfaces like dirt and loose gravel roads. And finally, off-road mode is excellent for enjoying off-road sports riding. Note that cycling between drive modes is not possible while Apple CarPlay or Android Auto are open on the vehicle screen. For riders wanting an even higher degree of adjustability, 2 user ride modes are fully customizable. To customize one of the user modes, start by pulling and holding the page switch on the left handlebar towards you to bring up the main menu. Select Settings. Select Function. Then select User Modes. Now choose the user you'd like to customize. On this screen, you'll be able to adjust a number of performance attributes, such as power, engine braking, and suspension damping. You can also adjust the preload values to the rider's preferences.